Today we're gonna make paint a minion on a stone. We all need paint, a paintbrush, and a stone. But make sure when you pick your stone for it, you need a nice shape of the minion. Draw the stone white, then let it dry for a while. Then the stone doesn't get seen under the yellow, whatever you're gonna put on for it, the other colors. And you need black, yellow and black, and blue. And then white right here. You need a lot of white. And then you get the white, get a nice medium-sized paintbrush, for then you can draw it quickly.
No.
Done like this. So now you see it's white now. You don't have to draw the whole thing. If you want, you can, but I don't do it because I have to wait it to dry. Acrylic paint. You should use acrylic paint if you want to dry it quickly. Otherwise, you can just use any other normal paint. So now we drew the whiteness. So now, because most of it is going to be white, yellows. So then you get your yellow, and you just go and just put it on top again. Just put it on top of it. See, that's why it doesn't just go like that. You just have to do thin layer.
Hello.
But I'll wait for it to dry. Okay, pants have to be blue. If you can do any color, but I'm doing blue because it's blue. Okay, now I'm gonna get this brush because I cannot find any more. So then you better get a small one like this, or big one, because all of them are thing and you don't want them. So now for the pants, you just do this and like this. Once again, let me just light it with this one. Need a nice thin one brush for lighting it. I'll just use that brush. Yeah, this brush is good for lighting it. This brush is good for tapping it. Now you just have to make the pants nice and even. And don't make red pants. It doesn't look nice. So you better make this and this. Let me just use this brush now because this brush doesn't work. Done. Now these pants are finished. You see the pants. So now the thing is, now we're gonna make eyes like this. I'm gonna make a one-eyed guy. So then we need a thin brush, very thin brush, most thinnest brush we can have. These brushes, like this tip. So now we get black. I'm gonna do it black because I don't want silver. So you go like this, and go like this. I'm not that good at it. If it's uneven, it's okay because I have done it too. Let me just get that. Black eye. Ah, good. Now let me just get one more black and. Okay, now let's make one. Now you just have to get a white one. Just get a new brush that you can use white on, and then you get white, Oh man, I just colored all the white. And took the gray. Okay, and then you get white and you get white. And then you draw it inside. Done. Now that white is right there, as usual, more or less. But yeah, because you have to dry it after that. But let's just do this now, and by that time we'll just finish everything else. So now we're gonna make the other side like this. Done. So now see, now there's gonna be one in the middle right there, one eye. So, but right now we're gonna. Do you want now the hair? Okay, now right here, right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Done. That's not that good hair, but I just do it. So then, too much hair. This guy got too much hair. Okay, now for the smiley face. You can do smiley face or like a tongue sticking out face. I'm gonna do a smiley face. Okay. Okay, now let me just do like this. Okay. Now let's see how it is. So then, now we did this. Now do you want to, this how you do a tongue sticking out one? I don't have a tin brush, so I cannot draw like a red tongue because mine is always kind of black tongue. I don't like black tongues. Bad. But this is his tongue. Now, so then now for the, he's smiling. So now we need the just eye. So eye now, we just get this big lump like this. Oh, I hope I get this nice. Okay. Done. Let me just get some little bit my white shaded. A little bit more white. Where's the white? Where's the white? Where's the white? Ah, here's it. Okay, finally. That guy got a little messed up right there. But now there's one more part. You have to go like get this black part. Never drawn this, so I don't get it nicely then. Okay, now they're just those overalls right there.
Tobacco.
Yes, they're overalls right there. I didn't know it in the last one, but here it goes. Okay, now you get your minion.